Hello, how are you? The installation of Debian 9 operating system will be present. The first thing you have to do is start the installer and select the graphical installation option. Select your language and click on continue. Select your country or the geography location of your equipment and click on continue. When you reach the network configuration, change the name of the machine. If you don't have this information clear, just type local and click on continue. Set up user and password. In the next step, you must enter a password for the super user or root. This password is very important because it will allow you configure key elements of the system. You must enter this password and remember it in order to configure your desktop system with Debian 9. You must also create a user that doesn't have super user privileges. That is, you use for the daily use of the system. By clicking on the continue button, you will record the data of the new user and you will be able to go to the next window where you can indicate your time zone. In the case, I will select Eastern, but you must select the time zone that corresponds to geographic location. Select guide use entire disk can take a larger post that you are seeing, so we will the same option that is simple and is aimed at who only wants a functional disk without many complications. Then you will have to indicate the disk in which to install Debian 9 stretch. The following window will allow to select geography location, download, software package, choose a location nearby where you can expect the fast file transfer. In my case, I am in Mexico, so I will use United States because in my country there are few servers with high bandwidth. Then select a server. When you select the disk, you will be asked to indicate the distribution of the partition. You select all files in a partition. Then you just have to check change and indicate the finish the partition, and then indicate that you want the data to be written to the disk by selecting the yes option and pressing the continue button. When the following screen appears, it will show the option to analyze other cities. It indicates no signs we will install by network. Then you have to wait for the select software package to be downloaded and installed. This can take from a few minutes or several hours, and it depends on the speed of your internet connection. When you continue the installation of the launcher will be processed and you will only have to click the continue button to finish the installation and restart the computer to run the system with Debian 9 already installed on your computer. When you start your desktop, you can start with your use and password you create, and you will the desktop will come where you will find the common application for surfing the internet using the terminal. There are some images from the Debian 9 desktop already working. I hope you enjoyed this pause and that your installation of Debian 9 has been successful.